Look at this awesome chicken. The supply line in economics. Let's get into it. Here is the definition. Yes, you need it in your exam. Yes, write it down or remember it. So it's the quantity of product that producers are willing and able to sell at different prices. As you can see, the supply curve is a gentle reminder that everything is always about money. If there's more money to be made, more will be supplied. Capitalism in its finest form. So it's completely dependent on the supplier, what they produce, and what they're willing to take. Let's say we've got two boys. We've got Ben and we've got Jerry. Ben and Jerry are both illustrious factory owners in downtown New York. They are refined gentlemen with a penchant for quality ice cream. So Ben is making milk-based products, okay? He might think to himself, if the price is good enough in the market, I might start making ice cream. So when the price goes from zero point 0.5 to 1, Ben's like, you know what? I'll make 1,000,000 tons of ice cream. Why not? I'll shift my production and start making things that are more profitable. If the price goes up even further, Ben's like, lovely, this is the jackpot. I am going to make even more. And as the price continues to go up, Ben is willing to produce more and more ice cream because the profit margins get higher. But let's say that Jerry is a different type of guy. Jerry's also got a factory. Jerry also produces milk based products, but Jerry's got a completely different mindset. Jerry is not willing to produce ice cream unless he can guarantee he's making a big amount of money. So he's not going to sell or produce any ice cream until the price in the market is around 150. At that point, he's willing to step in with his own factory because he's different to Ben and make some decisions about selling. So what we do then is we add the boys, Ben and Jerry together, all right? And we see what the total market supply is going to look like. All we need to do is put that on that demand and supply graph that we've seen before. Quantity along the bottom, price goes along the top. Let me show you how it's done. Here's Ben's supply. Here's Jerry's supply. You can see that the line is different for both of them. The gradient's different. And all we do is we keep the price the same along this axis. And we have just changed the total number here along the quantity axis because we've added our mate Ben's willingness to supply, Jerry's willingness to supply, and now we've got the total market supply on this line here, which the gradient is kind of in between both of these to represent the whole market supply. And as you can see for supply, all that happens is price goes up, there's an increase in cones supplied. It slopes up just like my caffeine intake with the more homework I've got to mark. All right, that's it for me. Have a great day, and I'll see you again.